All right. Today's OT activity is going to be Nathan's favorite activity. Nathan, what's your favorite snack?
Popcorn!
All right. So before we make any food or snacks, what do?
We wash our hands.
All right. Go for it. How many seconds, Nate?
We do 20 in this house.
Okay.
Wash your hands.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. Next step.
Dry your hands.
Dry them.
Extra good, so your hands can be clean to do it if you're gonna do this.
That's right. Nice job. Every little finger,
And
right?
sometimes you see bubbles.
Oh, cool. Nice observation. All right. You get all your fingers? Very good. All right. Next step. We get our... And how many hands are you going to use to do this?
2.
Right. And we pinch one end and pinch the other. And you can do it, Nate. And you can do it. Might take a little bit. We pinch one and pinch the other.
It's going to take a long time. So if you're watching this, you may wait for a second.
Okay. Take your time. Sometimes it may take us a bit, but we keep going. There we go. Nice job, Nathan.
All right. So we took it out.
Yep, and let me see. I'm going to show it. Open it.
You need to be supervised for this because I'm a pro, so I can do this without being supervised.
But I'm always with you.
But you should definitely have adult supervision.
Right. Okay, so show us how we do it. This side up. Can you show us?
You put
Can
it
you-
up. You
yep.
put it like this.
Very good.
And then you
Can
close.
I just show one thing? This side.
You close that.
All right. This side up.
Yeah.
Next step.
You put it in right here.
Yeah.
And then after you shut it,
Yeah.
then you set it to 20 seconds.
How many minutes?
You set it to
2
oh yeah.
2 minutes.
You set it to 2 minutes.
2,
Alright.
0, 0, and start.
But you have to be supervised, so and that's how you do that. And now you're gonna see me have a little bit of it. And now for the next step. The next step is to put away the popcorn.
Right.
And this is one of the trickiest parts. You don't want to burn yourself, so you gotta. I'm about to show you what you're gonna do.
So should we get something to put it in?
In the meanwhile, my mom will tell you something.
We need to get a...
Oh yeah, you gotta get a bowl. You also gotta get a bowl. I suggest if you have glass, you should just try using any bowls that aren't made out of glass because you don't want to drop it.
Very good point.
Like you should use bowls like this.
Very good. So plastic.
In the meantime, we'll wait a minute.
All right. And what do you hear, Nate?
You hear the popcorn popping.
Yep.
Yes, you hear it.
You doing the popcorn dance? All right. Almost done. Let's see how many more seconds left.
There's 38 seconds.
Yep. Almost
Oh,
done.